Good day, CS442 week 4, and that means the rubber starting to hit the road. Let's look at the schedule. Here we are. Week 4 is the first week where things are due, and because the exams are timed with the assignments, that means you've got Assignment 1 and Exam 1. Assignment 1 is due on February 3rd, that is this Wednesday. That's due by noon, not midnight. In this course, you'll be submitting assignments with UWaterloo's submit command. If you are accustomed to Marmoset, the critical difference, well, A, is that you submit by the command line, whereas with Marmoset you can submit online, and B, there is no instant gratification. There is no tests that are done immediately. You submit your files, and then we will test afterwards. That means you gotta write your own tests and make sure you've tested your code thoroughly. And of course, after Assignment 1 comes Exam 1. Exam 1 starts being available on Wednesday at noon, that is to say, the very instant that Assignment 1 is due. It's available for 3 days, and you can use any 3-hour window within those 3 days to do Exam 1. Many of you have probably done quizzes on Learn. If you haven't, well, make sure that you are registered on Learn for this course. So if you go to learn.uwaterloo.ca, you should see this course listed there. You should be able to go to CS442/CS642. And if you do, on that site, you should see that there is a quiz this coming Wednesday. You, of course, won't be able to start the quiz yet, but you should see that it's there. Do not take 3 hours on it. It is mostly multiple choice questions, all things that if you've understood the material, you should be able to answer it fairly directly. None of them are just, here is this term, go look up that term, answer whichever term it is. They require a little bit more thought than that. And there are a couple written response questions as well. Again, if you have understood the material, you should be able to put it together. But the whole point of an exam is you have to think a little bit further than what the material absolutely demands of you. The exercises are in the course material to give you a thought of what the exam might look like, but obviously none of the exercise questions are directly on the exam. But, like I said, there are only a couple written response questions. They are worth a lot more than the multiple choice questions, so overall it's about even in terms of grade distribution on multiple choice versus written response. But it's not meant to be a huge thing. Do try to, relax. It's 5% of your grade. It should not take 3 hours. You have 3 hours to do it just in case there are internet issues or anything like that. And also, if something goes catastrophically wrong and you fail to submit within that 3-hour window and you want a do-over, there aren't multiple attempts built in to Learn for this exam. You have to do it in one sitting. But if something goes catastrophically wrong and you need another sitting, ask me, explain what happened. We can figure that out. It shouldn't. 3 hours should be plenty of time. But, if you start the exam and then your ISP vanishes for a day, it's fine. Just come talk to me. The other thing I want to note about the exam is you have from Wednesday at noon 3 days, so that means technically you have until Saturday at noon in Eastern time, in Waterloo's time zone anyway. I mean, if you want to kill your Saturday, you can do that. But please don't ruin your weekend with this exam. If you're a person who likes your weekends like I do, then just do the exam earlier. Regardless, you have a 3-hour window, so it doesn't really make any difference whether you do it Wednesday or Saturday morning, except that if you do it Saturday morning, well, there's your Saturday ruined. So obviously, use your own judgment, but why would you ruin your Saturday when you don't have to? Finally, just to mention it, the exam coverage, I guess I didn't quite make this explicit. Every exam covers whatever you must have read by that point. So again, looking at the schedule, this particular exam, because it is on week 4 and you should have read modules 1 through 3 by this point, it covers modules 1 through 3. It does not touch on module 4, because you have not necessarily read Module 4 yet. You can do the exam on Wednesday and read Module 4 on Friday if you'd like to, so I don't have anything to do with Module 4 on Exam 1. Exam 2 will be on Modules 4 and some of Module 5, like the first half of Module 5. Exam 3 will be on the rest of Module 5 and some of Module 6, etc., etc. So everything is what you definitely should have read by that point if you've been following the schedule. Module 5 has been released. It is released as of right now. I want to apologize. I wanted to get Module 4 videos. I still will get Module 4 videos, but Module 5 took a long time. And of course, Module 5 may yet have issues that need to be addressed. So videos will be going up. All of the videos are supplementary. They're just examples, demonstrations, as you've seen if you've seen the videos so far. So the actual knowledge you need is in the text notes, and I will be extending Module 4 with videos. I just haven't been able to get to it yet because Module 5 took a very, very long time. Luckily, Module 5 was sort of a rock and a hard place thing, and now that Module 5 is out there, I have a little bit more flexibility, so I should be able to actually get to those videos. Sorry about that. Thank you for watching. See you again next week in Week 5.